Hi friends, good morning all. Today our section will be started on STAADPRO project on water tank. Let us go to the new project. Just select here as space. Give the project name as water tank. Next here you have to select the add game option, then go to finish. Yeah, our space will be opened in STAADPRO. Next, go to geometry, run structure wizard. Generally, from now, we have to learn all about buildings, bridges, dams. Next, our topic will be water tank. Water tank, how do we look like a water tank? It is like a cylindrical shape. So, here you have to take, there is a truss model option, go to frame models. Here we have the all options for the structure. Here you have to select reverse cylinder. Take double click on it. Why? Because our view on water tank will be in cylindrical type. Our water tank related structure here is only reverse cylinder. So just select this. Okay, length of your water tank will be about 10 meters. So here you have to take the length or height is 20 meters. Then go to radius as 5, 360 degrees. Number of days is 5, I mean the 5 strip floats. This will be as you wish, but I am taken as 12. Apply on it. Click on this option. Okay, here. Yeah, our structure is appeared here. Then here you have to select the last row as control select it, all the bottom part. Just observe here, I have to select all this part of bottom part of the tank. Yeah, it will be deleted. Okay, so our bottom part of the tank will be completed. We have to create a structure on upper part, like I will show this. Just select the upper part of this structure, like a circular path. How you select this? Just select this and control it and select another one. Just press on control button. It will be selected continuously. Okay. Next you have to copy this above 5 meters. So control C and control V. Here we have the options how much distance you want. Here I want only 5 meters. So no. Plus 5. Why? Because it is upwards. Okay, our structure will be copied above this circular path. Then you have to connect these two circles like 4 node plates. You just observe here how I connect these two circles from by 4 node plates. Just you turn on the structure by arrow marks, right, left side, top side and bottom. Just you turn this by this. escape it. Then you select this all path from plate cursor. Yeah, all will be selected. Here you observe this. All plates will be selected. Then I have to apply all the four node plates to the circular path. Then I have to apply a mesh the bottom of the tank. Then go to mesh option. Here processing will be done. Yeah, the mesh will be applied at the bottom of the tank. First I have to see this in front view. Why? Because the mesh is completely worked or not at the bottom of the tank. Yes, it will be perfected only at the second floor of the tank. That means bottom of the tank. Then go to isometric. Here next our step is we have to take the top, the cap of the tank. Then go to geometry, select the run structure rigid option. Here you have to select the surface. Why? Because we have to view the top portion, that means cover of the tank, cap of the tank. Then select this spherical surface. Here you have to view the diameter as 20 and base dia as 10 meters. Click on apply. This is our structure looking like this. Click on S option. Then it will be our length is 20. I will be taken 20. Then click on OK button. Yes, this is the cap, but it not perfectly fitted to the tank. So go to dimension option. Take front view of the structure. You have to select this distance between both. So it is 3.66. Okay. Click on escape button. Then here you have to select the plate cursor. You have to select this top of the surface, solid surface of the tank. Then give a right click on it. Here we have the option of move. So I have to move this downwards. That's why I am taking negative 3.66. Okay. Click on OK. Okay. Yes, I have to move this. Yes. Here you have to see the changes. That means our cap will be perfectly fitted on the tank. Dimensions will be 0. So there is no gap between these two. Okay. Okay. Just close it. So our structure water tank will be completed. So our first part in STAADPRO we have to complete variations in, that means design variation is on geometry. First you have to design which type of structure you want to design. Next you have to go the further processes like general. Here you have to apply same like for every structure we have to apply beams, columns, bridges, bridges for plates for bridges. Different types of structures we have to give the different types of properties to the structure. So from here our process will be completely similar to different all types of structures. We have the difference only on geometry. That means we have the difference of to design a type of structure only. Understood? Okay. Next, go to property. Here, just says we have the option of define. Just go to rectangle. Okay. For beams, for buildings. Next, our water tank. Water tank and buildings both we have to take the beams, columns and plates. For dams and bridges, we have to take the plates. For bridges, we have to take the columns and beams also, but there is very limited, very low. So here we have to take the beams initially in rectangle. How much it will be? 0.35 I will be taken. 0.35. Just click on add option. Next, you have to give the columns as 0.4. Okay, that means 400 mm. Okay, it will be added here. Next, close it. Why? Because our beams will be taken and columns will be taken. Next, thickness for plates. It will be taken as, so thickness will be 0.25 or 0.23 and will be taken 0.23. So we have to assign these properties to the structure. Then we have to select these circular beams like this. Why? Because here you can't select directly like go to select and beams parallel to X and beams parallel to Y. Why? Because it is in circular direction. So you have to select the beams, you have to select the horizontal beams like this. Here you have to give these dimensions to these beams. Then go to assign to selected beams, assign, click on S option. Yes, our dimensions will be given. Next, go to columns. Here you have to select directly from beams parallel to Y direction. Our Y direction beams, that means columns are selected. Then click on assign to selected beams, assign S option. Okay. Next, go to plate thickness. Then take the plate cursor. Just select these plates all. Then assign to selected plates, assign. Click on S option. It will be assigned. Next, go to supports option. Here you have to create the supports like a fixed support. Add it and select the support. Here you have to select the nodes of the bottom of the tank. Then click on assign to selected nodes, assign, click on S option. Yes, our supports will be given. Okay, our supports will be here given. Then go to loads and definitions. Our property will be completed, next supports will be completed. Then go to our further steps, loads and definitions. Here you have to give the wind load